In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can copy one entire section from one website to another website that is built in Elementor. To do that, first I'll copy the section that I want to move to another website. Right click here, then copy. Go to another website where you want to paste the design. Click to the plus button, right click here or here, then paste from another site. Click this button, then click and hold Ctrl button, then press V and wait. Awesome, right? I copy the entire section, not only the text but also this image. Let's see. Click this image and click here. These images are loading from this website. Sometimes it will conflict with your global color, but you can easily fix that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.